Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to put the sky print on your light panels at school. First thing you need to do is lay out your supplies. Make sure you have everything. You have a roll of masking tape, which I believe I provided. You have some scissors. You have a tack rag or some sort of cloth to get some dirt off of the light panel. And you also have the squeegee. And for this purposes, we're gonna do a print that we have to put on here, but yours is obviously gonna be a lot larger, but the steps are the same. So first step is get your tack rag and make sure the panel is free of dust and debris, because you don't want that underneath your print. Second step would be to take your print and line it up. We should have cut it perfectly inside the border. So you just kind of line it up. Most of the edge here is going to be covered by the metal pieces up there, so it's not real important to be dead on straight. So looks something like this. Next step is get you a length of tape and put it across there real carefully. Really rub down the edges to make sure it's not going to pop up. This is called the hinge method, what we're doing today. Next step would be to take your squeegee and lay it down on the tape like that. Get your pair of scissors. Now what you're going to do is take this bottom flange piece and pull back the print, leaving the wax paper on the bottom, just like that. Take your scissors, cut off the excess wax paper in a straight line. If you have a second set of hands, it is nice to have them just hold the print right here while you're doing this procedure. Keeps the print from sliding around. And anyway, second set of hands is easy. All right, next step would be to take your squeegee and lift it up and apply the flange piece. Real simple. We'll get the hang of it there. Do that, kind of rub it down, see how it looks there. Now you can remove your cross piece. Use that for the next panel. Now this step is very important. Get you another small piece of tape and secure the panel to the table or whatever you're using. If you don't, when you apply it, this whole panel is going to slip off the table. So this is very important. All right, next step we call forming the wave. Roll that back, just make sure there's no dust. And then you're going to kind of wave it up just like that. And you can see how the backing is going to roll off when we push the squeegee. You take your squeegee like that with one hand, get it started. Once you get it started, you can go back to two hands. Mild pressure, not a lot of pressure at all. Boom, just like that. And then your last step, you can take your squeegee again and kind of smooth it all out just to make sure there's no bubbles or anything like that. And if you do have a few bubbles, no big deal. Just get you a safety pin or an X-Acto knife. Just pop them, kind of rub them out with your finger. And that's it.